T50 is the first multifunctional leaf collection vehicle launched by our company in China as a pioneer brand of leaf collection equipment. BET50 multifunctional leaf collection vehicle, specially developed for municipal, environmental sanitation, gardening and other departments, not only fills the market gap, but also has been upgraded for 6 years and 6 times. It can effectively solve the pain points of many leaves. Large volume, difficult collection and difficult transportation in the concentrated leaf falling season, which has been praised by users and caused a sensation in the industry. The car has the functions of leaf crushing and compression, is equipped with a 5 cubic meter oversized garbage can, and a unique dust removal and filtration system. It has the characteristics of fast collection speed, reduced leaf volume, large storage capacity and no dust. The vehicle is equipped with 2 leaf collection modes, bottom suction cup and handheld straw, which can quickly collect scattered and piled fallen leaves. The retractable and rotatable mechanical arm can efficiently collect fallen leaves under roadside parking spaces, corn belts, tree pits, lawns, and other places where vehicles cannot walk. In addition, the vehicle is also equipped with a high-pressure washing system and a 1,500-liter water tank, which can be used as a high-pressure washing vehicle in non-deciduous seasons to carry out high-pressure washing operations on curbs, sidewalks, non-motorized lanes, garbage cans, etc. One car has multiple functions, which greatly improve